Nigukoretwo na mateta kuri aikari aria migunda yao iriganitie na nyanjara cia nyamu cia githaka kumana na nyamu ici gukorwo igitharikira mahiu mao. Giki nikio gitumi kinene kiria gitumite mubunge wa Mathira Peter Weru kuhinyiriria ruhonge rwa nyamu cia githaka kuri aikari aria mahiu mao moragitwo ni nyamu ici.
We don't see the reason why the people of who are neighboring forests should be suffering or should be left to suffer, as if the government agency that has been bestowed with the responsibility of ensuring that we retain our animals in the forest, our wildlife in the forest, and letting people go on with their economic activities, proceed on without that much interference.
Akiria gicigo-ini kia Nyana muhaka-ini wa Mount Kenya kuria oigite ni marekuwa ngari icio nicio iroragire ng'ondu 7. Oigite ruhonge ruru ni ruregete guthondeka ngiri iria irigicĩirie nyanja icio.
Sio mara ya kwanza, zimechakuliwa zingine 4, zimechakuliwa zingine kwa neighbor 5, na tulichapiga ripoti. Hakuna kitu ambao tunaeleza, wanatuambia tunakuja, hakuna mtu ambaye tunapata.
Maugite ni gukoretwo na wongerereku wa mahiu mao gutharikirwo ni nyamu cia githaka ruria ucungiriirie hathara nene. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV mohoro Gitau, njitagwo Wangui wa Gathugu.